friends, today I'm doing unboxing of coat from Colombia, from the North Face. The North Face Triple C Parka. So I've got it on the side and it was with coupon code, and I've got it in some packaging, like it was boxed, and then in this plastic bag. So it says here, let's see what it says. A woman Triple C Parka in minimal grey, size large, made in Indonesia. So let's open it. I returned the two coats from North Face that were minimal grey also. They were large and X large, but it was different model. It was Metropolis, and this one is Triple C. So let's see how it looks. Well, this coat is from the North Face, and it's all North Face jackets. It has significant logo brand here. This one in this model is embroidered. It has on left shoulder or here chest, and on the back it also has it on the right shoulder. This parka is really lightweight for such coat, but I would say it's a little bit more heavy than, and a little slightly more substantial, more weight to it, more than the Metropolis one, of course, because it's longer, but it also, I think it has more feeling here in those panels. Also here in sleeves, when I was trying on different Metropolis one, it was a little more lightweight, and this one has similar material. Actually it's the same, I think, but it's a little bit more feathers inside, so that's good. And this coat has 550 feeling, the down feeling, 550. And when it comes to hold, this one is attached by a zipper, so it's good because you can see here that it has a zipper, so that's good. Then it has regulation by those small thingies here, by gummy, and then here's such small regulation, and it's on the both sides. And also you can snap that hood here with the velcro, which is here. And it has two zipper pockets on the outside. Here is the tag. It says relaxed fit, so this one will be relaxed fit. The material is similar to fleece, but it's like thinner version of fleece, like cheaper one. This material is a little bit flimsy, so I'm worried that it would be like easy to snag on it or something like that. Hope it's not getting dirty easy, because then it will have to be washed regularly in the washing machine. And what does it has? Inside pocket, and here on the here is tag, inside tag, and here it has also the same material, which is kind of cheaply cheap version of the fleece here on the collar, and it has zipper pocket inside one, which has nice ending here, like some elegant one, and it's on zipper, and it's kind of small, really small. Not even my hand goes, half of my hand goes inside. Might be problem to keep inside phone or wallet. I think just credit card. And sleeves have such ending. We have those ruche material, awesome cinching system, small. I will try this cute coat on. Let's see how it looks. Here we go. Here we go. So this is the coat. Here I decided to film in the kitchen because maybe the lighting is here. So it's even better. Let's zip it. It has two-way zipper, which is metal one at the end, but plastic zipper all the way. Let's zip it. So yeah, coat looks like this. So I've got size large because normally I'm wearing at Columbia I wear X large, but this one now is a little bit bigger, so I decided to get size large, and it fit perfect. This is how it looks from the side. See? This is from front, and it's to the middle of the colors. So yeah. And from the back, this is how it looks. And I also put you here on scissor, and then I put here. So this is how it looks. It's still be cuffs. And the one fit here is in zip. So I hope it's fine with you. And if you don't like the zipper doesn't go all the way to the end, then stick to my channel, as I have another coat in future to unbox that will be all the way to the end, and it also has two-way zipper, but it also has double zippers here to this point, and it's also down coat. So next videos I will unbox it, but this video is this Parka. I really like the color. So I like the color of it because it's nice lilac color, and I like the lightweight of it, and it's warm. I already feel like I'm sweating, so it would be great for cold winter time like now, like below 30s or below freezing point. Temperatures like 20s or even below. And this is how it looks with hood. So I put hood on. Let's close it with this Parka. Oh, it looks like this. Yay. So yeah, this is coat from the North Face. And some zoom. I mean close up. Okay, I'm taking this off because I'm hot. So yeah, it's really warm. And zipper is working fine, and here inside it has some flap to protect your body from coldness. So zippers, not just zipper, you know, layer, but it's also some small flap of material. This coat supposed to be like loose fit, so it doesn't have any cinching here. It's loose fit, but I feel it's better than Metropolis, because Metropolis was too much wider here, and I prefer this fit. So I think I will keep this coat, and I really like it. I recommend it. So yeah, that really also goes well with my glasses, which are pink color. I buy direct. So yeah, this is really nice coat. I think I prefer it over the Metropolis model. I also have green one, but I also like it, so we'll keep. Maybe this would return, but I really like the color, and who knows if I will do them next year, the same colors and the same style. Maybe they will be sold out. So yeah, that's my unboxing for today. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. I will do more unboxings, reviews, and also vlogs. So stay tuned. Bye.